Hi, this is Sean with LUX Landscape Lighting. Service plans. So you're probably tired of hearing about service plans, right? You got a service plan for your air conditioner, you got a service plan for your pool, you got a service plan for maybe your roof to be inspected. All the different things we have service plans for, especially like our cars, right? How often do you take your car in for service? Well, unfortunately, a landscape lighting system is no different. It has a lot of parts to it. It has wire connections, it has wire, it has power supply. Some of them have automation that's built into them. You have all the fixtures that have lamps in them, LEDs, circuit boards. There's a lot going on out there, and it's beneficial to have a service plan where we will come out and inspect it for you to make sure everything's running properly. The other thing you got to think about is fixtures that are in the landscape. What happens with the landscape? It grows. Plants get bigger. So where the fixture was originally may not be such a good place for it now because the plants have grown. So we need to maybe move fixtures around a little bit, or maybe you've gotten dirt or mulch on top of the fixture, so the fixtures need to be cleaned. Sometimes the fixtures get tilted or leaning over, especially path lights. They never like to stay straight. So it's helpful to get those things straightened and get repaired so that your house, your garden, your landscaping looks as good today as it did the day we installed the lighting. If you're interested in the service plan, give us a call. We will get you a quote on that.